Hum-de-dum-de-dum. Hello, friends. Oh, this little thing? You mean this world-class Uruguayan Amethyst Geode from CosmicCuts.com? You want to see it? I don't blame you, my friends. I want to see her too. Hello there, my friends. Greetings. Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com here today with this absolutely sensational Amethyst Geode specimen. This particular example comes from Uruguay and has so many incredible things to offer. We get a nice, deep, dark purple coloration, which of course is an indication of very, very high quality. We have some beautiful white calcite formations in there, which is very rare, very gorgeous, and is also very high quality. We got nice big old crystal points. We have some rare forming Rosetta formations. Just an absolutely breathtaking, impressive marvel of Mother Nature. Only she can do it like this, folks. Absolutely incredible. I want a closer up view. You want a close up view. So let's stop wasting our time yapping. Let's take a close up of this magnificent specimen. Oh yes, indeedy, friends. Absolutely incredible display of what Mother Nature is truly capable of. Absolutely sensational. Beautiful, deep, dark, high quality amethyst crystals. Any way that the light hits it, just glistens and glimmers. Truly mesmerizing. As you can see here, we got an absolutely magnificent calcite display. When the light hits just right, get those absolutely gorgeous rainbow prisms that shine off of her, displaying her majesty, displaying her beauty. And here we have yet another calcite formation of the highest quality. Unbelievable. This is a specimen that you need to take your time with. The more you look at her, the more those uniquities, those rarities, those beauties pop out at you. You can look at her for years and still notice all of her amazing details. Some of which we'll get into now. Look at this incredible amethyst flower formation here. Got this incredible amethyst flower formation here. I love how that you can see the amethyst poking through here. Truly magnificent. And here you see the amethyst forms in this beautiful round formation. Here, 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 especially here, and all over this wonderful gift from Mother Nature. Rosetta formations are certainly rare, absolutely gorgeous. It adds to the uniquity and the value of this Amethyst Geode specimen. Absolutely incredible. Got a beautiful amethyst flower formation here. Got another Rosetta formation here. As you can see here, if you look closely, you get a nice little bit of red and gray agate that goes all the way around the geode, really framing the crystal and making that purple color pop. Absolutely extraordinary. It comes with this sturdy custom stand that you see here as well. Just everything you could want in a world-class crystal specimen. Wherever you put this baby, it's sure to be the centerpiece. Amazing. This world-class crystal specimen more world-class crystal specimens, sage, Palo Santo, Amethyst Geodes, healing collection bags, individual tumbled stones, you name it, my friends. CosmicCuts.com is going to be your one-stop shop for spiritual enlightenment and crystal wonder. Have an amazing day, my friends. I know I will, because I'll get to look at this magnificent beauty for just a little while longer.